So, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. 7 months na ngayon. I roaming around, guys. But still windy, but no rain. And then, lot of branches fall down. Branches fall down, guys. The branches is fall down. Usually the hurricane hit in Florida, Georgia. My niece is out of electricity. No more electricity as of now. Last night, because of the strong wind and rain and windy. But last night here is very quiet. 5 a.m. We wake up 5 a.m. because so very windy. Strong windy but no rain. And then 9 o'clock, the strong wind and windy here look like 10 minutes and then stop. And then back again like 10 a.m. Very strong windy and rain. And then 12 noon, stop the rain, stop the windy. And the sun comes out. But still windy outside now. Off and on. But no rain. Oh my goodness. Lot of clean up na naman sa yard, guys. Because lot of branches fall down and leaves. Walking to the yard na naman, clean up. I feel hungry na, guys. I think we need to eat lunch now. Cooking our lunch, guys. Feel hungry. Nag-live ka na, sis? Tita Rose? Mag-12 o'clock na dito. Nag-live ka na, Tita Rose? Tita Rose. I feel hungry, guys, because we eat only one ano eh. Ay, pa pala lives, Tita Rose. Glad are